as the Instagram is the most used social media app. Nowadays there are so many people posting photos every day. In today's video we are going to see top 5 best Instagram accounts you must follow, so without further delay let's get started. The first account is from Adam Senatori. Adam is a pilot who loves to take photographs of the places he has been to. His feed is what every traveler's dreams are made of. Make sure to check his amazing aerial photos comprising some serious wanderlust goals, jaw, meat floor. The second account is from Simone Brumet. His news feed is full of breathtaking landscapes as a background for human subjects. The next account is from Onuroglu Ilhan. He is a traveler and photographer. He likes taking wide-angle photos that show the bigger picture, literally. If you are looking for photography and travel tips, this is the perfect account to follow. The next account is from John Paul Douglas. Douglas is an established commercial photographer who likes to incorporate humor and surrealism in his minimal and design-driven photographs. He has worked with huge brand names such as Apple and Instagram. The last account is from Brandon Wolfel. He is one-of-a-kind photographer. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.